morning, class. This morning we are going to solve this why past question. The question says, a man finds the angle of elevation of the tower to be 30 degrees. He is 40 meters from the foot of the tower and the same level. Find the height of the tower. Now, what this question is telling us now is we are going to work with angle of elevation. And when you are talking about angle of elevation, that is, anywhere you are, you can form what we call angle of elevation by raising your neck up like this to look at the ceiling or fan or anything, or even looking up to the sky. So that's you are forming angle of elevation. So the more you raise it, we now determine the angle you will form. So in this one now, we now have it to be like this. So let's now solve it. So a man now, so that's a man. So we have man somewhere here. That's the man. So now, angle of elevation that the man formed now. So the man look up. Are we together? So the man find the angle of elevation to be 30 degrees. So the angle of elevation that the man formed now is 30 degrees. So now, which means we now have it to be 30 degrees here. After that, he is 40 meters from the foot. So when you look at it now, from the foot now is this side. So 40 meters from the foot of the tower and at the same level. So find the height of the tower. Now when you look at the angle now, this is the tower now. Are we together? So that's the tower the man looks at. Now this is the height. So we represent it with h. Are we together? Then now the next thing now is to now find the height of the tower. So we want to calculate the height from here to here now of the tower. So when you now look at it now, to now solve it, we are given this angle. And so from in this angle now, we have opposite and adjacent. We are not giving hypotenuse. So there is what we call SOCA tower. So that's SOCA. Tower. So this so means sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse. Cos equals to adjacent over hypotenuse. While tan equals to opposite over adjacent. So when you now look at the three now, we are giving opposite and adjacent. So which means we are going to use tan. It will now be tan 30 degrees equals to opposite over adjacent. And this opposite over adjacent now equals to, our opposite is height, then our adjacent is 40. So from there we now have it to be tan 30 degrees equals to h over 40. So from there you will now say cross multiply. So when you cross multiply now, it will now give you something like this. So h will multiply 1, tan will multiply 40. So we now have it to be h equals to 40 tan 30 degrees. So as we now have it to be h, that is our height, equals to 40 times 30 degrees. So now from there now, we will now find our height equals to 40 times. So this tan 40 degree now, tan 40 degree will give us tan 30 degree will give us 0.574. 0.574. So that's what tan 30 degree equals to. So after that now, we will now multiply them together. That is h equals to, so now 40 times 0.5744 will give us 23.096. Will give us 23.096. So now, and we are to leave our answer in meter. So we now approximate that height equals to 23 meter. So that's our answer. So that's the height we are asked to find. So that it will now be h equals to b. So which means here now h equals to 23 meter. So kindly help us like it, share it, and download it, and also help us subscribe to our YouTube channel.